Sceptre monitors allow you to change inputs without a remote control. There are three main methods to access input settings using the physical buttons on your monitor. Method 1 is the most common approach. Look for the power or menu button, typically located on the bottom right or back right of your monitor. Press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to access the main menu. Then use the directional buttons around it to navigate to input or source. The menu will display various input options, including HDMI 1, HDMI 2, VGA DVI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, depending on your monitor model. Method 2 applies to newer Sceptre models with a dedicated source or input button. A single press cycles through available inputs, or hold for 2 seconds to open the input selection menu. Method 3 is found on premium models featuring a 5-way joystick control. This joystick is located on the back or bottom of the monitor. Push it inward to access the main menu, then navigate to input settings using directional movements. Regardless of which method you use, the goal is the same: access the input or source menu to select your desired connection. These physical controls provide reliable alternatives when your remote is not available. When your Sceptre monitor buttons become unresponsive, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. If the on-screen menu doesn't appear when pressing buttons, try different button combinations, or check if your monitor has a button lock feature that needs to be disabled. When your monitor doesn't detect an input source, always verify that cables are properly connected and that your source device is powered on and actively sending a signal. Following proper setup and maintenance practices will help prevent most input switching issues and keep your monitor functioning optimally. Monitor technology continues to evolve rapidly. Current trends in 2024 and 2025 include simplified menu navigation systems and automatic input detection features. USB-C integration is becoming increasingly common, providing both video signal and power delivery through a single cable connection. Looking ahead, future monitor developments may include voice control integration and mobile app control, making input switching even more convenient and intuitive.